Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Ithonga on Monday, March 10 to keep watch. Sanele is welcomed into the construction world by both a threat and a gift. Pablo fails to get through to Zama while Lungelo continues his little play at being the golden boy. On Tuesday, the weight of the crown, Sanele is caught between principles and temptation. Zama's grief reaches a breaking point as tensions erupt. Mbali must decide where her loyalty lies. On Wednesday, Bengiapi, the champagne lifestyle starts to taste bitter to Lungelo, and Nokwanda feels she knows what is best for her family, but she will only drag them to hell. On Thursday, Golden Boys, Manruli falls apart until Mbali reminds the family who Sanelo really is. Nkosinathi stands up for his brother only to be betrayed. An unlucky hero comes to Magwaza's rescue. On Friday, DT or Love, Mbali is broken over Sanelo's decision while Lungelo's world falls apart. Thank you guys for watching.